Hello folks, this is 𝗪𝘆𝘀 from My Learning Center. Let's talk about 5 ways moms can make money with a home business. Are you interested in beginning a home-based business? Having trouble locating the ideal one? Do you frequently imagine how happy you would be if you were able to work from home? Afterward, continue reading to see how simple it is to succeed in a home business. Make money with your interests. Each individual is endowed with a unique gift that makes them stand out from the crowd. Finding a means to make that talent into a business is your duty once you have identified it. I wrote a book about one woman, the homebound making money with mom. Loved horses and always have. Since she did not have a horse of her own when she was younger, she would take care of other people's animals, feeding them just so she could ride. Her enthusiasm in caring for animals has grown into a company now that she is an adult. She has specialized in horse care while also taking care of the lesser animals. What are your hobbies? Are painting pictures, growing herbs, or making candles your hobbies? You do not necessarily need to make these things in order to make money. These are all excellent home enterprises just waiting to get started. For people who enjoy the same things you do, perhaps you should start a newsletter on the subject. You might be able to market your supplies to other enthusiasts or companies. Alternately, you might consider penning a book on the subject. You will be astonished by the number of ideas you generate once you begin brainstorming. I have met a few women online who are now running their own portrait drawing companies. Before deciding to draw portraits of individuals to earn additional money, she really had 2 other home companies. When you see your photos, it is difficult to imagine she hasn't been doing this for a longer period of time because she produces such an amazing work. It is sometimes difficult to believe that someone would pay you to perform something that comes so naturally and easily to you. However, the business for you may be right in front of you. You are producing a product or service for your friends and family for free already. I frequently speak with mothers who claim their friends or family frequently seek them out for resume writing assistance or because they can put together a really lovely bouquet of flowers for special occasions. All of these suggestions for home businesses are excellent. Paying for these services should be seriously considered. Share with them that you are running a business. They trust your work since they have already utilized you for their things in the past. They will undoubtedly love telling others about you and your business and spreading the word. Go with what you already know a lot about. You might like your job outside the home, but you want to be at home with your children. Or you might want the freedom and fulfillment that come with running your own home company. To launch your firm, use the abilities you already have. Secretaries transition to working virtually, whereas graphic designers stay as graphic designers and teachers transition to tutoring. Architecture, photography, and transcriptionists are all comparable in this regard. You will be shocked by how many positions you have held in the past that might be used to launch your own home business right now. Ever wonder, why doesn't someone start a business doing? In your town, do you feel there is a demand for a specific good or service? Are you attempting to determine why it has not occurred to someone to provide it. Why are you not that person? You should be the one to identify a need, meet it, and profit from it if you can. There are numerous things in you that can be developed into a profitable business, including your skills, past experiences, hobbies, and interests. Why not turn this year into the year your home business aspirations come true? Thanks for listening, folks. Join our Facebook group, My Learning Center. Subscribe to our channel, My Learning Center on YouTube. Visit our website for quality ebooks, audio courses, HD video courses, and many more.